Today I added a more accessible full-size SD card slot to my SV06 Plus. The original micro SD card option is very inconvenient. Yes, I also use Octoprint, but sometimes printing directly from the SD card is more convenient, especially for frequently printed items. I ordered this TF2SD extension cable earlier and it finally arrived. I quickly got to design and print a prototype of a holding bracket and the cable tunnel out of PETG. The black PETG I used was very old and wet, so I used a hot air gun to get rid of the stringiness and soften the brittle plastic before snapping it into place. It fits surprisingly well on the first try, but I decided to go back to the drawing board, Fusion 360, to make the fit even more perfect. Another 90 minutes and I had the perfect bracket. On to designing a lightweight tunnel to hold the ribbon cable to the frame of the printer. Just a 6-inch piece that can be printed vertically, and this came out perfect right at the first attempt. I made both of the models available on calz3d.com, link in the description of this video. I just wish the current firmware of the SV06 Plus had an option to reload the contents of the card. Now I have to power cycle the printer to reread the card after insertion. Other than this, I feel this little upgrade made my printer close to perfect. Please hit the thumbs up if you like what I am doing, and subscribe if you're curious about my upcoming 3D printing projects.